What's up, YouTube? Chris coming back with an update on the BMW. I was doing the tune up on the car today, and I said, let me just go ahead, take out that camera, get y'all some footage. I haven't been updating y'all on the BMW like I normally would with the Infiniti. I just been working, but today I'm doing a tune up. So I went to AutoZone and got some plugs, and I'm halfway there. I done already pulled all my ignition plugs, and haven't pulled the spark plugs yet because the car is still kind of hot. I drove it before I came here, so it's hot, so I'm gonna let that cool down. But I got all the main stuff off, like the cabin air filter that goes across. It's another little piece that goes across. That's right there, that piece. I can show y'all how to do it, but it's a lot of videos out there. So if you want to see how to do it, just type in E90, E92, and 52 spark plug replacement. And there's videos out there that'll show you exactly how to do what I just did. So the reason I'm doing a tune-up is because the car has been running a little sluggish. Like, you hit the gas and it's like a hesitation, and it's the car is just slow. So yesterday I bought a Canon air filter. I put that in yesterday. The car is a little better, but when you hit the gas, you can feel that it's not getting the right amount of power like it's supposed to. So that's just gonna be the update today. I'm gonna go ahead and let the car cool off, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these plugs. And these BMWs are easy because it's an inline 6. So all 6 of the cylinders are inline in the motor. So yeah, guys, if y'all have any questions, any videos you guys want me to post, I know this is a quick, short video, but go ahead and drop a comment below. If you want more updates, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification if you want to get notified. So yeah, this is Chris. I'm checking out. I'll see y'all in the next one. What's up, YouTube? Chris coming back with another update. So in that first clip, I was doing a tune-up, so I changed all the spark plugs, air filter, everything. The car has been running perfect, and I have no problems. I've been saving hella gas, so I'm liking it. But today's video is going to be something different. I've been wanting a little bit more bass in the car, so I picked up a cheap setup. I'll show you guys now. So here's the setup that I picked up. I got a Kicker Comp R 112-inch sub in a ported box, and I have a little crutch. What is this? Little crutch, 750 watts. So it's not much, but it'll do give me a little bit more boom. I don't want everybody hearing my car coming down the road, but I just want more bass in the cabin. So we're going to be installing that today. I got the wiring kit and everything, so let's get into that. So here's everything that I picked up. I got a 8-gauge wiring kit. Don't need too much. This is only 500 watts RMS, but I'm only gonna put at least like 350 to the sub. So really I'm underpowering the sub, so I don't think I need more than 8 gauge. I will go 4 gauge. It's a little thicker, probably sound a little better, but we gonna just test this out. I picked up a outline converter, and I also picked up a bass knob, just so I can control the bass. So let me get to turn this car apart, and I'll see you in the next clip. All right, guys. So when you get everything out your trunk, your amp is going to be in the left-hand corner. Battery is going to be on the right-hand corner. So first thing you want to do is you want to get this connection, and if you have the green cable for the Logic 7, then you're going to have to go to a different video because it's different. I don't have it. I got the base model, so everything is base model. But once you figure out what type of system you have in your car, you want to locate it, and then you want to tap into the wires. So for my wires, I'm going to be tapping into this red and blue, and this brown and white right there. And it's going to be two more that I'm tapping into. It's going to be, I gotta find the other two, but you get the point. I think it's going to be that brown and yellow and that red and white, I believe. But look up the chart, go on Google, type in E92 Logic 7 wiring diagram for sub install. It should pop up. So let me go ahead and tap into these wires. Yeah. Oh, another thing that I normally do, instead of tapping into all 4 wires, I just get both of my negatives and tie those together and tap into the speaker. Then you get your positive, tap into the speaker. Some people like to tap into 2 speakers. It really doesn't matter. It's a sub, so all I need is the low frequency bass, the low bass note. So it shouldn't matter. I do it in all my cars. I haven't had an issue yet. And yeah, but if you want to tap into all 4, do it your way. This is just my way, how I do it. So, hey, it is what it is. All right, guys. So, hours later, we finally got everything hooked up, ready to go. Disclaimer, if you're going to be disconnecting your battery, for some reason when I disconnected my battery, my brake light and my 4x4 light came on. If you ever had this problem, leave down in the comments below why. Hopefully I drive it, it'll go off. But we got the subs hooked up. Well, the sub hooked up. So let's go back here. So